Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So, once again, I'm repeating when there are words indicating time, how they change from direct to indirect speech, that we will learn now. So, if we are using the word now in direct speech, then in indirect speech it will change to then. Similarly, this will change to that, these will change to those, here will change to there, ago will change to before, come will change to go, but not always. Now, why not always, you will come to know later onwards, because sometimes come changes to came or come only, remains come. Next, today will change to that day or same day, sorry, the same day. Next, tonight will change to that night. Tomorrow changes to the next day or the following day. Yesterday changes to the previous day or the day before. Last night changes to the night before or the previous night. Next week changes to the following week or the next week. You can see next week or the next week. We are adding just the. Okay. So let's see the examples. One or two examples I have here. First one, direct speech. He said, I am too ill to speak now. So you can see the word indicating time is now. So now will change to then, as in indirect speech. He said that he was too ill to speak then. Okay. Reminder here, I'll also recapitulate of what we had learnt in the last class. Again, look at the first example, direct speech. He said, comma, inverted commas open, I am too ill to speak now, full stop, inverted commas close. When that changes into indirect speech, he said, we remove the comma and instead of comma we add that, and I changes to he. Simple present changes to simple past, so am changes to was, too ill to speak now changes to then. Okay, so he said that he was too ill to speak then. Next example, he said, comma, inverted commas open, I intended to leave for Delhi tonight. So the word indicating time is tonight. So that will change to that night. So in indirect speech, it will become he said. Again, instead of comma, we will add that here. He said that he intended to leave for Delhi that night. Again, I intend. It is simple present, so it will change into simple past, intended. Okay, so he intended to leave for Delhi that night. Tonight changes to that night, as we have learned right now, that you can see in this slide. Last word, tonight, changes to that night. Next, if the reporting verb. Now, what is a reporting verb? Let's see in this example, the previous example. He said. The word said is reporting verb. Okay, and reporting verb is always outside the inverted commas, never inside it. It's always outside. So this is reporting verb. So our rule is, if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense. Present tense means said. The word said is not future tense. He says, they say. These are in present tense, and future tense is rarely used. Okay, but still, future tense means shall or will be added before say and says. So, if the reporting verb is in the present or future tense, no change is usually made in the adverb of time or place. Means, if it is in present or future tense, he says, she says, or they say, then the time changes in time will not occur. It will remain the same, neither place. It will remain the same. If it is this place, it will be this place, not that place. If it is now, it will remain now. Like, for example, she says, my husband shall come now. So, reporting verb says, says, that is in present tense. So, there will be no change in time. So, in indirect speech, it will become she says that her husband shall come now. You can see we are not changing now here. It remains the same because the reporting verb is in present tense. Similarly, it will be with future tense as well. Okay, next one. If the direct speech expresses a universal truth or a habitual fact. Okay, universal truth and habitual fact. When we had learned tense, in which tense do we express universal truth or habitual fact? In simple present tense. Okay, so if the direct speech, the words written inside the quotation marks, they are about a universal truth or a habitual fact, then the tense in the direct speech is not changed. Here, then the tense will not change. It will remain the same. So let's understand it through the example. Okay, 1 second. Okay, the example. The man said, God is everywhere. Now, God is everywhere is a universal truth. Okay, so it's tense. It will not change. If it is, then it will remain is in indirect speech also. Like in indirect speech, it will become the man said that God is everywhere. Okay, because we cannot say God was everywhere. God is always, He is in the present also, He was in the past also, He will be in the future also. So, always the sentence God is everywhere will remain the same with the verb is. It will not change. Another example, He said, the evil that men do lives after them. Okay, so this is also a factual truth. जो बुराई इंसान करता है वो उसका पीछा कभी नहीं छोड़ता है. इट्स मीनिंग इज लाइक दैट. Though I'm not exactly translating into Hindi, I'm just telling you the meaning of the sentence. कि जो भी बुराई इंसान करता है वह बुराई उसका पीछा कभी नहीं छोड़ता है. This is the meaning of the sentence. So it is a like in factual truth. It will never change. So in indirect speech it becomes he said that the evil that men do lives after them. You can see the evil that men do lives. Do and lives, they are indicative of tense. Same tense remains in the indirect speech. It doesn't change. Okay. So, till here, is there anywhere you have confusion? You can ask, or if you want me to repeat once again, you can ask. Okay. No one is asking. So, there is simple, slight knowledge I'll give you here, which you need to keep in mind. These are not very essential ones, but these people tend to make mistake here. There are some mistakes in my writing also, like capital. You can see I'm changing the words into capital. Suppose this one. If the direct speech expresses a universal truth or a habitual fact, the tense in the direct speech is not changed. Direct speech. The. Obviously, starting of the sentence, it should be capital. The man said. And whenever you're writing a sentence inside inverted commas, it will always start with a capital letter. In some places, you can see where I have written they are in small letter, but it will always be in capital letter. The words inside inverted commas will always start with a capital letter. Okay, so this is the thing which you need to know. Okay. So if no one is asking, let me test you. There is this exercise and there are 10 words, 10 lines. Okay, you have to change the following sentence to indirect speech. The sentences are given in direct speech, you have to change them into indirect speech. Since there are 10 sentences, I'll give you only 10 minutes. It is 11:30, 11:40. I'll ask you one by one. So do it. Try to solve it. I'll ask you.
Ma'am, the presentation is not visible.
Okay, I'm presenting it once again.
Ma'am, done.
Others, have you done from 1 to 7? Because there are three more. There are total 10 sentences.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, let's start. Okay, first, Ibtisam Khan. First one, change the following sentences to indirect speech. I said to him, you are very ambitious. So, change it into indirect speech. Ibtisham Khan, can you hear me? No response. Papia Mukherjee. Papia Mukherjee, can you hear me?
Ma'am, I have not done yet now.
Okay, just first one. Read it and just try to tell it.
Okay, ma'am. First one I will tell. Okay. I said to him, you are very ambitious. I said to him that he was very ambitious.
He was very ambitious. Good. It's correct.
Ambitious.
Yeah.
Okay.
Second one, Rahul Singh.
Okay.
Rahul Singh, can you hear me? No response. Rakhi Singh.
Yes, ma'am. He said to me that my brother has sent you a gift.
Sent you a gift.
Yes, ma'am.
He said to me that my brother has sent you
My
a gift.
Yes, ma'am. He said to me that my brother has sent me a gift. Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Has sent
Mm,
will change to had sent. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Present perfect changes to past perfect. So he said to me that my brother had sent me a
Yeah.
gift.
Okay,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Next one, Shubham Ganguly.
Yes, ma'am. Uh,
Third.
he he said to us, I cannot read if you make noise. He told us that he could not read if we made noise.
If we made noise. Okay. He could not read if we made noise. Okay. And you have said he told to us. Okay. You can change it. There is no like specific rule that it has to be remain said or something. Okay.
Hmm.
Next one, Sitangshu. Sorry, Sunetro. Sunetro.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Number four.
Yes. Number four.
He said that he left school long ago.
Okay. Left. If the direct speech it is in simple past,
Yes.
it will become past perfect.
Yes. Okay. Okay,
Then
ma'am. He
he
said
that
he said that he then
he had left.
he had left. Okay, ma'am. He had left. He said that he had left school long ago.
Yes, he said that he had left
Left
school long ago.
long ago. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Next one is Tanu Mishra.
मैम
Yes.
अब यहाँ पे ही सेड आई लेफ्ट स्कूल लॉन्ग एगो दिया है हाँ तो अब
हाँ.
ही क्यों ये आई तो फर्स्ट पर्सन है ना
अच्छा ठीक है. I is first person. He said, I left school long ago. I कौन है? I is referring to he. उसने अपने लिए कहा था ना.
अच्छा हाँ
So हम लोग उसको रिपोर्ट कर रहे हैं तो it will always obviously remain he. वो he में बदल जाएगा.
ओके ओके मैम ओके
ठीक है. So number 5. Tanu Mishra, number 5. Tanu Mishra, please solve number 5.
हरी सेड टू मी दैट he will हरी he will be grateful if you help
Now if you will change to I because he said to me, right?
यस मैम
Yes. So if I
हरी सेड मी ही के साथ विल होगा ना मैम?
Yes, he के साथ will लगता है. You are correct there.
He will be grateful if I help.
If I helped him then. Okay. Others also listen carefully. This is a long sentence. Hari said to me that he will be grateful if I helped, HELPED, helped him then. Okay. Helped him then. Now we'll change to then. Okay. Next, number 6 again. Ibtisham Khan, if you can hear me, please respond. Okay. No response then. Papia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you can tell me number 6.
Yes, ma'am. Number 6 question is that he said virtue trumps in the long run.
Okay.
And
Once I will tell you the pronunciation. He
okay,
said virtue. Virtue
virtue
triumphs
triumphs. Okay,
in the
ma'am,
long run.
triumphs.
Yeah.
Okay. He said that virtue triumphs in the long run.
Yes, because
Long
this
ago.
is long run. It will remain long run.
Yes, ma'am.
This is like factual truth, right?
Actual. Yes.
Yes. So it will remain the same.
Same. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one, Rahul Singh. Rahul Singh, can you hear me? Okay. Rakhi Singh.
He says that he is being reading a delightful story.
Not being. If it is I am reading, it will change to was reading.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
he says that he, okay, yes. Since
मैम
it
वास
is,
क्यों होगा, ये तो प्रेजेंट है.
since it is says, it will not change, it will remain. He was reading a delightful story. Okay, you are correct. He says that he is reading a delightful story. It will not be I am reading, since I will change to he. So he is reading a delightful story. Clear hai? Once again, I'm repeating number 7. He says that he is reading a delightful story. There will be no changes in tense here. Okay. Only since the pronoun from I is changing to he, so the verb will go according to the pronoun. Instead of am, it will be his, is. Okay. Next one, eighth. Roshni Kumari, if you are present in the last class, I think you can solve this. Okay. Shubham Ganguly.
And he said that God is the supreme ruler of this universe.
Yes, he said that
Universal
God
truth.
is the supreme ruler of this universe, because this is a universal truth, so it will remain the same. Okay. Next one, Sonetro, number 9.
Yes, ma'am. The
Yes.
captain said that the men will be on duty that night.
Okay. Will change to would. If you remember, will changes
Would.
to would. Yes. The
Okay,
men
ma'am.
would be on duty that night. Okay, rest all was correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Only will would change to would. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Next one,
Thank you.
I think next is Tanu. Yes. Tanu Mishra, number 10.
Yes, ma'am. He said that the cow died at last a week.
Okay, if it is in simple past, which past
Sim
continuous,
yes, ma'am. Yes.
so the cow had died. Instead of died, the cow had died last week.
Last week. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
So, number 10, I'm repeating. He said that the cow had died last week.
मैम
Okay.
लास्ट वीक प्रीवियस वीक नहीं हो जाएगा.
Last week, usually, last week had died. Last week, since it is past, we cannot previous week. Okay, if you use previous week, is also not wrong.
जैसे
But ma'am,
लास्ट नाइट को प्रीवियस नाइट कहते हैं.
But for week, there are in grammar books also they have not said that last week will change to previous week. But if you see, previous week is not wrong. It is not even a wrong term. You can use it.
Okay.
Okay,
Hmm.
because previous week
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
मतलब होता है last week. Yes.
मैम आपने ये 9 नंबर पे ये वाला जहाँ ऑन ड्यूटी दैट टू नाइट क्यों हुआ, दैट क्यों?
एक मिनट क्या?
आप 9 नंबर है ना, वो
हाँ,
जिस इसमें द मैन विल बी ऑन ड्यूटी दैट नाइट क्यों मैम? दैट नाइट
because
टू नाइट क्यों?
tonight changes to that night. शुरू में ही पढ़ाया था, beginning of the class में ही.
ओके, यस मैम।
Okay, if you are forgetting, मैं आपको slide दिखा दे रही हूँ. Tonight changes to that night. यहाँ पर देखिए, last word tonight changes to that
दैट
night.
नाइट, ओके मैम,
Yeah.
ओके।
Okay.
हाँ, थैंक यू।
Okay. Okay, so we can see last week के लिए there has not been given us any change, but as you said, the previous week also means last week, so you can use it. It is not even a wrong term. Okay.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now we will come to vocabulary. Today's grammar portion I have kept only this much, and it's also time to stop our grammar portion. So vocabulary. Now, first one, gregarious. Gregarious means of animals which like to live in flocks, or a person fond of company, or a sociable person. Okay, so if we are using the word gregarious for animals, means वो animal जो अकेले नहीं रह सकता, जो animals झुंड में रहता है. Same thing is applicable for humans also. Those human beings or those person who cannot stay alone, who needs company to survive. Okay, जिसे company पसंद है, who likes to be amongst people. A sociable person, obviously sociable person is one who is always communicating and talking with others. Okay, always in touch with others. And so its antonym is unsociable. Next one is idolatry. Now, idolatry means idol worship or idolizing. Means idolatry, आप किसी singer या Bollywood actors को इतना पसंद करते हैं कि you worship that person. That is called idolizing or idol worship. And its antonym is vilification. Vilification means criticizing a person. जब किसी को criticize करते हैं, we do not idolize that person. ठीक है, उसकी कमियां निकालते हैं हम. But when we idolize, or it is idolatry in nature, our worship is idolatry in nature, then we we praise every quality of that person. Okay. Next one is ignorant. Ignorant means unaware or without knowledge, and its antonym is educated or knowledgeable. Next one is illegible. Illegible is easy, means difficult or impossible to read. Unreadable, like we see say doctors handwritings are illegible, means we cannot read it. It is very impossible, very difficult to read. On the other hand, its antonym is legible, means that which can be read. Next word, imperceptible. Imperceptible means that which cannot be noticed, unnoticeable or undetectable. ओके, जिसका पता हम लोग नहीं है, जिसका हमें पता ही नहीं चलता है, विच इज लाइक वेरी मीन और वेरी कॉमन, दैट वी टेंड नॉट टू नोटिस, जो हमारे ध्यान में नहीं आता है. दैट इज imperceptible, and its antonym is noticeable, or you can say perceptible also. Noticeable or perceptible. Next one is impracticable. Impracticable. Impracticable means that which cannot be put into practice. As the word is impracticable, same as its meaning, जिसको practically किया नहीं जा सकता, or impractical. The another word is impractical, and its antonym will be practical or workable. Next word is impregnable. Impregnable means unable to be captured or broken. unable to be defeated. Okay, impregnable is usually it was usually used for the forts. Forts were impregnable, means the enemies could not attack or capture that fort because they could not enter through it. Okay, that is unable to be captured or broken, unable to be defeated. So its antonym is vulnerable. Why vulnerable? Vulnerable are those who are prone to any harm, जिसकी स्थिति इतनी खराब होती है कि उसको कुछ भी करे harm easily पहुंच जाता है. So and impregnable means they are so strong that no one can attack it or defeat it. So its antonym is vulnerable. Next word is improbable. Improbable means that which is not likely to happen. So you can relate it with the word probability. Probability, chances. So improbable means जिसका होने का chances एकदम nil है. That which is not likely to happen. Unlikely. And its antonym is probable or certain. Means जिसके होने के chances हैं. And improbable जिसके होने के chances एकदम ही नहीं है. Next word, inaccessible means unreachable. Accessible पहुंच में होता है जो हमारे, that is accessible. Inaccessible is unreachable, that which is beyond our reach. Antonym, accessible. Number 10, inanimate. Inanimate means without life or lifeless. So its antonym will be animate or living. Okay, I'm showing you the vocabulary section once again from the beginning. Again, anywhere you want me to ask anything, you can ask.
ये imperceptible perception से आया है.
Imperceptible, it is not from perception. Perception is you can say kind of जो हम सोचते हैं we believe. लेकिन imperceptible is जो हम notice नहीं करते हैं.
Five and six.
Yes.
Can you explain again 5 number and 6 number?
Okay, 5 number and 6 number. Okay. Imperceptible. Imperceptible means that which cannot be noticed, जो हमारे ध्यान में नहीं आता है. Unnoticeable or undetectable. Undetectable. Suppose example, if I would like to give you, there is a class of strength 60 students. Okay, in 60 students, if one particular student never speaks or never gets up and tells anything, so that student will become unnoticeable, imperceptible. उसको कोई जानेगा नहीं because already the strength of the class is 60. So if a student doesn't speak out, he becomes imperceptible or unnoticeable. Okay, and on the other hand, some other examples, some things tend to be so small. कुछ चीजें इतनी छोटी होती है कि वो हमारे ध्यान में ही नहीं आती है. Those things are imperceptible. Okay, so it's antonym. Antonym opposite is noticeable. That which comes under our notice. Okay, or you can even say perceptible. And one of you asked me the question, perception से क्या ये word आता है? I think it is related to perception also, because perception on the other hand also means that which we have knowledge about or which we know about. अब वो हमारे नोटिस में आता है तभी हम उसके बारे में जानते हैं. So it is, you can say, related to perception also. Next one is impracticable. Impracticable, practical से ये word related है. मतलब practical जिसको हम सही करके देख सकते हैं, प्रैक्टिकली करके देख सकते हैं, बट इम्प्रैक्टिकेबल जिसको प्रैक्टिकली किया ही नहीं जा सकता है. ओके, एंड its antonym is practical or workable. Now why it is workable? जिसको हम physically कर सकते हैं, that is workable. So opposite of impracticable is also workable and practical. Is it clear now? Anyone else is not having any confusion? Then we shall proceed. Okay. Do you have any topics for group discussion?
Ma'am, before going to group discussion, I have a question.
Okay.
That where ready and where to be ready, ये दोनों में difference क्या है, मतलब हिंदी में where ready and where to be ready?
Once again, your actually question I cannot understand. Where ready or where to be ready? Words क्या है?
मतलब इन दोनों में हिंदी में फर्क क्या है, मतलब where ready का मतलब और where to be ready?
Word.
Where
Spell
am is where was
spell it.
where.
अच्छा was actually you're saying where ना, हम उसको pronounce करते हैं were. That's why I'm telling.
अच्छा, okay.
We were. Okay. Now
Hmm.
were ready, simple past. We were ready then. Okay.
Hmm.
And were to be ready. If you can see, normally we do not use it, but it will be used in active and passive voice when you change. Okay, because were to be ready, I'm not getting any examples also where we can use it regularly or commonly.
हिंदी में मीनिंग क्या होगा इसका, where to be ready का? मतलब मैंने अखबार में पढ़ा है इसका, तो इसीलिए पूछ रहा हूँ.
We can say these products were to be ready by then. Here, the sentence is not wrong, it is correct. Okay, मतलब उस समय तक इसे ready हो जाना था.
और where ready के
Were ready means ready था.
तो
Suppose
had
we
to be ready का क्या होता फिर?
had to be ready.
मतलब where to be ready की जगह अगर had to be ready बोलते तो वो भी तो सेम
Had भी होता
मीनिंग.
perfect हो जाता है, हाँ, perfect ready हो जाना था. These had to be ready. हाँ, were to
हम्म.
be ready and had to be ready. Meaning
हम्म.
हिंदी में अगर देखा जाए तो सेम निकल रहा है. Yes. Yes, someone was asking something.
Nothing, ma'am.
Nothing. Okay. Okay.
तो मैम इसको मतलब यूज कैसे करना है फिर?
As I said, like were to be ready. These were to be ready. This is also past. Had to be ready. वो past perfect हो जाता है. ओके, मीनिंग यू कैन सी दोनों का सेम निकल रहा है, बस एक हो जा रहा है कि हम लोग सिंपल पास्ट विथ टू इन्फिनेटिव हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं, वन इज वी आर यूजिंग विथ पास्ट परफेक्ट, जबकि मीनिंग सेम हो रहा है. एंड इफ यू रिमेंबर हमने कुछ टेंसेस में पढ़ा था, नॉट विद द पास्ट बट प्रेजेंट टेंस हम लोग फ्यूचर को भी दर्शाने के लिए एंड सम फ्यूचर एक्टिविटीज को भी. तो सिमिलरली आई थिंक हियर इज द केस. इसी में कि हम लोग सिंपल पास्ट को भी विथ इन्फिनेटिव टू यूज कर रहे हैं टू टेल समथिंग दैट इज इन परफेक्ट टेंस. ओके.
ओके मैम.
Okay. Okay, now can we move to this group discussion? It is already 12:07. So, do you have any topic? Okay, if no, today we'll discuss on joint family and nuclear family. Not verses, I will not tell verses. Joint family and nuclear family. So, which one do you like? Joint family or nuclear family? And what are the good aspects of joint family and negative aspects of, or you can say some drawbacks of joint family and good aspects of nuclear family and drawbacks of nuclear family. We'll discuss on it today. Okay, this is not a very hard topic, it is an easy topic. So it is 12:08. 15 minutes should be enough. So 25, 22, 12:22. Okay, 25, 12:25. I'll ask you all. So do it till then. Write your passage on this box.
Ma'am, here we describe our preference.
Yeah, first you can tell the which one you would like.
Preference. Okay.
Okay, then you can tell both the joint family and nuclear families good aspects and the drawbacks.
Bad aspects.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Are you all ready?
No, ma'am. I'm still writing.
Okay, finish it fast, and as soon as you are done, please tell us. Okay,
Okay,
let me
ma'am.
know.
Thank you. Okay, okay. Ma'am, finished.
Others also please finish and let me know.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, good. Two have already finished. Others also please finish it as soon as possible.
I'm done.
Done, ma'am, done.
Done, ma'am.
I think 4 to 5 have done, so we can start now. Okay. We will start with Papia.
Okay, ma'am. Today's topic is joint family and nuclear family, and I'm going to discuss about this. Now it's an era of 1 BHK or 2 BHK flat, so we hardly find any giant family nowadays. Most of families in this time are nuclear or conjugal family, which consists two parents and their children. Though I am a child of a nuclear family, I would like to prefer joint family. In joint family, we can get more opportunity to socialize ourselves. The child of joint family don't feel lonely or depressed, which is the biggest problem of nuclear family. In a nuclear family, if both parents are employed, then the child feels loneliness. In this situation, he have to spend his spare time by watching TV or playing game in mobile. They don't get any opportunity to play with others and any physical exercise with their siblings or cousins. The children coming from nuclear family, it is too hard to him to adjust anywhere because they are not used to the habits like sharing, etc. In joint family, we get the opportunity to get contact with our grandparents, which helps to develop our relationship and learn the value of the relationship. But joint family has also some negative side. Sometimes we lost our privacy. If all the members in this family is not supportive, then it is not going on. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. Um, Rahul Singh, if you can hear me. Okay, let's skip to Rakhi Singh then. Rakhi Singh.
In joint family have consist of a lots of members. People can depend on each other and kind of any kind of help, and they all create an emotional bonding because it helps to keep the family united. But sometimes they face fewer quarrels, but sometimes they are support of their children and they have lacking of privacy, but they are never alone. But in nuclear family normally consists of two parents and the number of children. Nuclear family have more freedom as compared as joint family. They don't have worry about other family members, and nuclear family is very straightforward. It's easy to convince everyone in the family in case of taking decision. So I prefer joint family because we stay together, laugh together, and support each other during both good and bad times. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. Roshni, Roshni Kumari. Good
Yes, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. So
afternoon.
today's topic is yes, ma'am.
Yes, you can speak.
Ma'am, may I? Okay, ma'am. So today's topic is joint family and nuclear family. First of all, I wanna say that the family is either a joint or a nuclear. It doesn't matter, but there should be unity among the family. I think joint family is better than the nuclear one. It helps us in various ways, like having financial problem. a- It helps in getting the right decision and so on. Family, sorry, outside peoples won't be there to help you all the times, but your family will always support you. Here, we are a nuclear family. That's why we know that a joint family plays a very vital role in everyone's life. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. Shubham.
Yes, ma'am. As I am belonging to a nuclear family, so I can feel the loneliness which is absent in, say, joint family. As joint family comprises of many persons of a family, so there is no question of getting bored. You can do gossips with your cousins, out for a ride anytime you want. If your mother rebukes you, there will be your grandpa or grandma to console you. Or if you are being faced any problem, there will be your family who stand by you. But the disadvantage from a joint family is that the property of the family is divided among the brother separately. So you are not the sole owner of your property. And I have seen in many joint family there is a tussle between the brothers owing to property, land, money, etc. Another aspect of joint family is as there are a number of person in the family, say 20 to 25%, a chaotic situation prevails all the time in the house that hampers the study of the youngers during their exams. They don't get much space for their study. If you are the primary caring member of a joint family, you have to take care. You have to take care uh, of all the members, and health being the prime part to take of taking care of the family. However, both type of family has a uniqueness, and they are beautiful in their own way. That's it, ma'am.
Okay. So Netro.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Today's topic is joint family and nuclear family. I live in a joint family. In my home, there are 7 members. We live happily with everyone. When we travel, we always go together. For this joint family, we enjoy every moment. We also enjoy the lockdown period for staying together. We also face different problems together. To maintain joint family is expensive, but we manage it happily. In other side, there are little members in nuclear family. They live separately. They can take decisions easily for everything like occasions, travel, etc. That's all, ma'am.
Okay. So since there is not much to contradict and discuss, only a few more points I'll add to your discussion because others are not there. Okay, before I start, Ibtisam Khan, if you can
Yes,
speak.
ma'am.
Okay, so I would like you to speak if you have prepared your topic.
Yes, ma'am. I personally like joint family. I like those enjoyments gatherings in religious festivals. I like the bonding with each other and the mentality to speak up for the loved ones whenever is needed. But all those things depends upon the family that what type of the family is, what type of mentality it has. If it has conservative mentality, sometimes it affects one's individual space, individual's life, and sometimes it is difficult to make everyone satisfied in every moment of life. So it leads to disturbance in sorry. It leads to disturbance among family members.
Okay. So now I will add few more points. That is, when we talk about joint family means like maternal uncle, so not maternal, paternal uncle and aunts. Okay, all will be there, and their siblings, your cousins will be there with you. It's a huge family of consisting of another family also, another smaller families coming up together, consisting of grandparents also. So here, what happens is that, okay, good points if we talk about, then it gives a very good sociable atmosphere where people can socialize and have a good time. Okay, suppose when we talk about parents having a single child and both the parents are working, the child is often left, you can say, a little bit of detachment is there with their parents, less taking care is there, less time given to the child by the parents. So in such times it is the grandparents who doesn't let the child feel alone. So here a joint family plays a good role in letting or helping the mental growth of the child in terms of society. And also, if we talk about the drawbacks of, I'll not say bad points because family is never bad. We cannot say joint family is bad or nuclear family is bad. That's why in the beginning I changed the term and I said drawbacks, not bad effects, but I said drawbacks of having a joint family is, yes, financial crisis or financial problem will always occur, because there might be chances when one person is looking at the other to take care of the finances of the house, because there will be like everything has to be collected, and if one person wants to eat maggie, it has to be made for every person in the house. It's not that we can just make it for personal one or two person. Okay, so privacy, as one of you had already told, privacy is not there in joint family. And also you also told about the like children when they are in their education or they have to learn at home, always there is a chaotic situation in the house, means shor sharaba hote rehta hai, everybody is happy and lively in a joint family. So obviously there is less, you can say, privacy for a person who wants to study, sit and study in a peaceful manner. So there is no, you can say, privacy there in joint family system. But yeah, one more point which none of you have told, that is joint family promotes our cultural upbringing. It promotes our culture. If there is no joint family, our culture will no longer exist. There will be no one to teach us our culture. Because in nuclear family, parents are busy, children are left alone at the hands of the, you can say, maids or caretakers, schools and tuition teachers. So there is no time to teach a particular child about our culture. Okay, so here the existence of culture is getting dependent on the joint family system, and that is not possible in a nuclear system. So this was the only point which none of you had brought up, so I'm bringing it to your notice, and rest all points were good. Okay, one more thing I would like to add, that is about nuclear family system. Nuclear family system sometimes promotes or becomes the reason of children when they grow up, they tend to abandon their own parents, and send them to old age homes. Now why is this so? Because when they grow in a nuclear family system and both the parents are working, there's hardly any time, the parents hardly have any time for the child. To spend time with the child is difficult, they're always working. So child is left usually at the care of the maids, or they are usually sent to various classes, so the child remains engaged. So somewhere the connection of the child with his or her parents becomes weak here, though they love each other, but sometimes it becomes weak. So when the child grows up, starts working, he also does the same, because this is what he has learned from his parent. So does the same, since he is unable to take care, so he tends to send his parents to an old age home, thinking that there they will get care. But this is like we see it as a negative point. So here the parents have to face the situation of going to an old age home. Otherwise, if it would be a joint family system, old age home was never an option in a joint family system. It is only an option when there is a nuclear family. Okay, I think I've not missed out any points. Apart from this, any points which you have already spoken, you can again elaborate it and speak on it. Anyone? Okay, since no one is
Uh,
asking, okay, Shubham.
yeah, as I told in my note that if your mother rebukes you or your father rebukes you, there will be your grandpa or grandma or any other person in the family to console you. Like अगर कोई भी आपको डांटता है तो अब जैसे न्यूक्लियर फैमिली में क्या होता है, सब लोग घर पे ही बैठ के अपने आप मना लेता है अपने आप को, पर उधर ग्रैंडपा ग्रैंडमा का प्यार मिलता है,
Yeah.
ऐसे टाइप का.
Yeah, so it's a good point that you said that when a child is being scolded or rebuked by his parents, there he has shelter in his grandparents. So he can immediately go to his grandparents and lighten up his mood. And grandparents will always support their grandchildren. Okay, so this is like it. They will always grow in a happy atmosphere. Child always grows in a happy atmosphere in a joint family system. On the
Yes,
other hand, if the same situation when we say in the nuclear family, the child tends to get matured very immediately, and this is not a good point. The child, okay, maturity is good, but there are things which a child should enjoy in his childhood, and that he gets
right.
only in the joint family system.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Ma'am, due to the
Yeah.
socialization problem in nuclear family, the suicidal tendencies of children will enhanced. It
Yes,
is
a good point. Yes, you can speak more on this, Papia. Papia, you can continue your point. You can elaborate
Yes,
your point.
ma'am. I'm telling that in nuclear families, sometimes when children depressed or they don't get any opportunity to speak anyone, the suicidal tendencies are enhanced due to this process. Because there are no one is available to console him or to speak with him. It's a problem.
Yeah. So it's a very good point brought up by you, Papia, that suicidal tendency in children. These are because they
Children,
have no one to share their
there
emotions.
anything.
Yeah. Parents are
Even
busy.
they don't have any cousin to share to play, and easily they get depressed. uh,
Yes,
uh,
depression. Another one
Depression,
point you can add is depression. Depression also because
depression,
of there is no one to share one's emotion and talk. So depression, and also depression leads to sometimes suicidal tendencies.
suicidal
In,
tendency
yes, in this children. Okay.
in children.
I just want to comment on that, that
Yeah.
a nuclear family and everyone with a group chat.
Hmm.
So in a group, they are all connected uh, by any social media platforms.
Hmm.
So in a nuclear family with a group, so how is it?
No, no.
Everyone,
Okay.
everyone can
With a
share
group
their
we are
feelings.
connected.
If you are
Yes, yes.
Parents
depressed,
are not good
Some-
for privacy.
Sometimes we are sharing our feelings with in a group chat, but sometimes if we don't want to share our feelings in a group, then nobody will poke us. But in a joint family, if I shut my door and I am in a room, then my grandparents, my cousin will come and ask me what is happening, please open your door. In the group chat it is not happening,
Hmm.
so
Okay.
we can't.
Okay. To
in group chat
Shubham
you
Ganguly.
share your feelings, then you will
In
Yes,
not.
yes.
in reality, cousins really doesn't care about you.
This, yes, this is what I wanted to tell Shubham. Though you have everybody has their family group chat, okay, termed as family. Cousins are there, even family members are there. But personal feelings, you will hardly see anyone sharing personal feelings in a group. They can, okay, they have any one particular cousin whom they are close to, but they will never share this publicly in a group chat. Even you can see most at a particular age, you can say young age, family group कैसे छोड़ दे, even they don't want to talk to their family members. It's only like during the festivals we meet well and good, like in daily chat करना like friends, that is not possible for everyone. People do not like it. People feel that अरे ग्रुप चैट में रोज गुड मॉर्निंग गुड नाइट मैसेजेस आते हैं, क्या करेंगे, देखते हैं, छोड़ देते हैं. This is the attitude. So do you think they will share their personal problems in the group? This is Rarely
No.
a case.
Mm.
And also talking via phone and talking personally in front, there is like a bit of huge difference. And also
Yes.
very nicely said by Papia that yes, when we are in group, even talking to our favorite cousin, suppose sharing our problems, okay, she know. But
Or
even until
sometimes
unless we
friends.
don't,
Ma'am.
yes, sometimes friends also we share, but until unless we don't tell them कि इस problem में चलता है, आज तो मैंने खाना ही नहीं खाया, ये नहीं किया, वो नहीं किया, they
Mm.
will not come to know. But when you're in a joint family, obviously you skip your meal and go to your room and lock yourself. Your grandparents, your parents will come and knock your door कि बेटा क्या हुआ, कुछ
वो
problem है
सॉन्ग साथ
क्या?
उठे चले आते
Yeah, much care is given in the joint family system rather than nuclear family system. On another aspect, if we talk about nuclear family system, it has become now the need of the time. Nuclear family, okay, since our like we are like progressing at such a rate, and students are people after getting job, they are always going to different cities, shifting from one city to another city. So it is not possible to have a joint family then, because shifting the entire
grandparents
joint
or
family.
grandparents are not willing to leave their old home.
Yes, their own native home, that is also the point, they're not willing to leave. And also it is not possible for a person who has already like पांच महीना में फिर से promotion हुआ and you are going to another city or another state, so it is not possible to continue let your parents shifting with you from one place to another. It is possible for you as long as you are young. So this has like become like need of the time, nuclear family system. But yeah, joint family system, since it is in our tradition and culture, we are never going to do away with it. You can see during the festivals or any special occasions, we tend to come and meet everyone in the family. We try to make it a possible thing. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other point you want to tell?
Ma'am, you stated before that old age home. It is
Yeah.
also the impact or effect of globalization. Uh,
Yeah. As need of the time, we can say.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we can
Ma'am,
say it's yes. You say, Papia.
yes, ma'am. I say that it is the impact of the globalization, or as we are globalized more, then we detach our parents, our families more.
Hmm.
And so we have to do this. If
Hmm.
we don't want this, but we have to do this.
Yes,
It is the real
sometimes we are
problem.
not, yeah, we are not left with any choice, because leaving our parents
No,
at home and no one to take care, we ourselves feel like kaun kyal rakhega, who will take care of our parents. Then no other
some
option is left than to leave them in a old age
old
home. So at least they will get some care there, they'll get some company there. That is what our thought is. But
yes, yes,
since it has become like a negative term, sending parents into an old age home. But
old age
old
home.
age home, they did not come because of the wrong things. They came in existence as it was the need of the time. Because people need old age home to take care of their parents. That's why it came into existence.
Sometimes
Okay, I think
কোথা থেকে
someone is sitting out in the air. That's why there's so much of noise. Okay, yes, Papia.
the life of a old age home is also enjoyable.
Yeah.
I
When
think.
parents are like willing to go and have company there, but there are sometimes
Yes,
parents who are not at all willing to go to an old age home. They feel lonely there because they
yes.
constantly sit their children.
They detach
Yeah.
with their sons or their
Yes.
daughter. It's a
Also
problem.
their home is the place with which they are like very nicely attached, so they don't want to leave that home even if they don't get any care. They will work on their own, struggle and live, but it's hard for them to leave their home in which they have lived
Yes,
for
ma'am.
so many years. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so if there is nothing else to say, I think we can stop today here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay then.
ওকে
So
ম্যাম
okay then.
Okay.
Okay, thank you everyone then. See you all tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.